สวัสดีค่ะ Hi everyone. Today let's make Kluay Tod or Thai fried banana. This is the original Thai fried banana recipe that is crispy and the crispiness lasts longer. Let's get started. Here are our ingredients. We have bananas, white sugar, pandan leaves. This is optional. Vegetable oil, all-purpose flour, crispy flour, rice flour, and cornstarch, limestone paste water, cold water, white sesame, and salt. The bananas I'm using today are called Sabah bananas, and this is not overripe and not underripe. It's just in the middle, and it's the perfect choice. Let's make the frying batter by combining all of the ingredients. Make sure to save your white sesame for last. Limestone paste water is commonly used in Thai cuisine, mainly for desserts or fried food. It makes your food crunchy and crispy for longer. It really does make a difference, and I suggest you put it in. More information will be in the description. Make sure you're using really cold water, and your white sesame need to go in last because we don't want them breaking apart. This is the consistency that we are looking for. It's not too thick or not too thin. Now we're going to cut our banana into slices. Try to cut it into similar thickness so that they can be done about the same time. Drop your banana in and combine well. Add in vegetable oil to a pan, and we're going to test the oil. If they puff up like this, it means that it's ready to go. Bring the heat to a high, then lower it to a medium after you drop them in. It is very important that your heat isn't too low because this might make the banana greasy. They are very likely to be stuck together like this, so just use your tongue or your sieve to break the pieces apart. This is totally optional, but you can add in pandan leaves at the very end for that subtle pandan fragrance. Just like making fried shallots or fried garlic, we need to remove them from the heat earlier because due to residual heat, they are still going to darken their color further when they're out of the heat. So remove them earlier. If you're making a second batch, sieve out the small bits as they will burn. The white sesame smells really good. It's golden, crispy, and if you follow this recipe, the crispiness will last for longer. Thank you for watching. See you next time in the next Thai recipe video. Bye bye.